Namaste. I am Swami Prabhakarananda Saraswati, President, Sannyasi Mahasabha. I wish to share few thoughts regarding our Sanatana Dharma. My holy pranams to Sampuja Swamiji Jagadananda Saraswati Maharaj and Sampuja Swamiji Prakashananda Saraswati Maharaj at their lotus feet. Sanatana Dharma is based on four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharva Veda. Rigveda has a subveda called Ayurveda. Yajurveda has a subveda called Dhanurveda. Samaveda has a subveda called Gandharva Veda, and Atharva Veda has a subveda called Sthapatya Veda. So, Rig, Yajus, Sama, Atharva, Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda and Sthapatya Veda are the main 8 preliminary textbooks of Sanatana Dharma. Veda is based on 6 Shastras. They are known as Angas: Shiksha, Kalpam, Niruktam, Chandas, Vyakaranam and Jyotisham. They are the 6 limbs of Sanatana Dharma. Thus, they are called as 6 Shastras or Shadangas. Now, 4 plus 4 plus 6 make 14, and Sanatana Dharma is based on 18 principles. The other 4 textbooks are Nyaya, Mimamsa, Dharmashastras and Itihasa Puranas. So, Nyaya, Mimamsa, Dharmashastras and Itihasa Puranas make the total number of textbooks of Sanatana Dharma as 18. Rig, Yajus, Sama, Atharva, the 4 main Vedas, Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda, Sthapatya Veda, the 4 sub-Vedas, Chicha, Kalpam, Niruktam, Chandas, Vyakaranam, Jyotisham, the 6 limbs, the Angas, the Shastras, and the other 4 sub-Shastras, Nyaya, Mimamsa, Dharmashastra and Itihasa Puranas. So, our Sanatana Dharma, which is the mother of all the religions of the universe, is based on 18 main principles. This is the reason why the 5th Veda called Mahabharata has 18 parvas. The holy textbook of Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters. Mahabharata war was for 18 days. The Akshonis, the military groups used for Mahabharata war, was 11 plus 7, 18 Akshoni Padas, and Holy Shabarimala has 18 holy steps. Sanatana Dharma, based on Vedas, the Rishi Parampara, always based on deep penance, Brahmacharya, Tapas and Dana Dharma, makes the textbook of holy Vedas easily followable. Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha are the 4 Purusharthas to be achieved by a human being in Krita Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga and Kali Yuga through Brahmacharya, Garhastya, Vanaprastha and Sannyasa by these 4 ashrams. Now, let us go for the basic point before the division of Vedas. So, how the division of 4 Vedas came. Sanatana Dharma being divided as the 4 Vedas, Bhagavan Vedavyasa Maharshi has become the basic guru of Sanatana Dharma. Let us go for this elaborate explanation tomorrow. Namaste, namaste, namaste.